Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Boss audio system via Bluetooth. First, ensure your Boss audio system is powered on. Look for the power button, usually located on the front or side panel, and press it firmly. Next, confirm that Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device or tablet. This is typically found in your device's settings menu. Make sure both devices are ready for connection. Now, let's put your Boss audio system into pairing mode. Locate the dedicated Bluetooth button, often marked with a Bluetooth symbol. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. You should observe an indicator light, usually blue or flashing, which signifies the system is actively searching for a device to pair with. This step is crucial for successful connection. With your Boss system in pairing mode, open the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device. Your device will begin scanning for available Bluetooth devices. Look for your Boss audio system's name in the list, which might appear as Boss Audio or a specific model number. Tap on its name to initiate the connection. You may hear an audible confirmation tone from your Boss system once paired. To confirm a successful connection, play some audio from your device. Ensure the sound is coming through your Boss audio system. If you encounter any issues, first check the volume levels on both your device and the Boss system. If the connection drops or fails, simply repeat the pairing process from the beginning. Sometimes, a quick repair resolves most common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.